Now moving over to the table. This is the underside of the table, so this would be the right hand side because this is the front, and the longer left side. So I guess these are candidates for turquoise. Now I would like to see how they measure up. So I know that's not the professional way of doing things, but if they're not too worn, maybe just a scrape job on both, and of course moving back here again, a scrape job on these, bringing them both down would mean that I could also just lower these by the same amount, or couldn't I? In any case, that will not rectify the problem, because the problem would be if this gear here binds up. So maybe turquoise would be the better solution. We'll see. Maybe either this is a problem or it isn't a problem. I'll have to see. I don't think there's too much on the table. I think the most wear is actually on the guides here, on the travel up and down of the table. This is most worn, so we'll have to take off the table and onto the granite table, or take off the knee, I mean. Since they're not even, of course, that's another tricky bit, and since they're not even here and they're protruding further away from here, is also some sort of a problem, isn't it? I have to stack them up on parallels. Okay, I'll have to figure out a game plan here.